everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ekta. In today's video I'm gonna share some simple and wearable eye looks with you guys using Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. And in my previous video I have shared the swatches of that eyeshadow palette with you guys, and in my previous video I have told you guys that I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette in my upcoming video. And so here I am. I'm gonna use that eyeshadow palette today, or I'm gonna tell you if this eyeshadow palette is worth buying or not, because this is very affordable eyeshadow palette and the colors are so nice and wearable. And yeah, if you are interested then please continue watching, और अगर आपने वो swatch video नहीं देखा है तो आप यहाँ आई बटन पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं. You can watch it later. So let's start. So guys, without wasting any more time, I'm just going to quickly tell you that on my both eyes I am going to create different eye looks, so you guys can see as much as possible because I'm not going to create separate eye looks altogether. In this video I'm not going to do a complete full face of makeup. I'm just going to show you my eye looks, and for that I have prepped my under eyes with this Mom's Co under eye cream. And yeah, and here you can see how well and how moisturized and hydrated my under eyes look and my eyelids look. There's no dryness whatsoever. So whenever you are doing a eye look, और जब भी आप कोई भी आई लुक करते हो, सिंपल से सिंपल भी अगर आप कर रहे हैं, देन मेक श्योर दैट यू आर प्रेपिंग योर अंडर आई एंड योर eyelids very well, and don't leave them dry guys, because अगर आप ड्राई छोड़ देंगे और अपने अंडर आइज़ को या अपने आईलिड्स को प्रेप नहीं करेंगे तो पैचेस आ जाएंगे और कलर अच्छे से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होगा. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हो जाएंगी. सो दिस इज़ द आई शैडो पैलेट. दीज आर द कलर्स एंड इसमें कोई भी मैट शेड नहीं है. सो उसके लिए आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज़ सम अदर आई शैडो पैलेट जिसमें मेरे मैट शेड्स हैं. द फर्स्ट थिंग आई एम गोना डू इज़ आई एम गोइंग टू डू माई राइट आई फर्स्ट, एंड फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्रश सेट. ये भी मैंने फ्लिपकार्ट से ही परचेज़ किया था फॉर अबाउट 250 रुपीज़, एंड इट वॉज़ ऑल्सो वेरी अफोर्डेबल. And I thought why not to try and tell you guys how these brushes works, or if they are worth buying or not. तो ये भी मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ. And here I am applying the Fit Me concealer just a little bit to give some highlighting effect. And now I'm just very lightly going to set it with the setting powder, and I'm going to set my eyelids as well. And very lightly, don't put any pressure on your brush when you are setting your base, and don't use too much of the product. Just go with little by little, क्योंकि अदरवाइज़ अगर आप एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा पाउडर लगा देंगे तो जो आपका जो अंडर आई एरिया है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई और फ्लेकी सा दिखने लग जाएगा, एंड दैट वी डोंट वांट. Because I have seen a lot of people, they just go with beauty blender and dab और इतना सारा पाउडर का एक्सेस लेयर उनके अंडर आई पे रह जाता है, and it just doesn't look good in after completing the makeup. So I would suggest कि आप हल्का हल्का, it's like this, हल्का हल्का tap the excess and just go with very light hand. That's all you need. You don't need excess powder.
I'm gonna take this yellow shade right here. I'm just going to take it on my brush like this, and I'll tap off the excess and just do this with light hands on your crease area.
Okay, so if you have eyes like me which are not that big, तो आप हल्का सा अपने हुड के ऊपर जा सकते हैं. ये जो सैगी सी स्किन है, always, because I have this saggy skin, right? Can you see this saggy skin? So if I stretch my eyebrow area, this part is also stretches, so जिससे मुझे थोड़ा extra room मिल जाता है color apply करने के लिए. So that's what I always do. I always stretch my eyebrow to get this finishing, to get this smoothness basically, जिससे कोई भी टगिंग या पुलिंग मेरी स्किन में नहीं हो. अगर मैं नॉर्मल करूँगी, दिस इज़ द नॉर्मल थिंग, अगर मैं ऐसे करूँ तो मुझे रूम नहीं मिल रहा है ब्रश चलाने के लिए. सो फॉर दैट आई नीड टू रेज माई आईब्रो. So yeah, this is the one tip that I want to give you guys. If you have hooded eyes like me, this is very useful tip.
So if I talk about this brush which I'm using right now, it is nice for smaller areas like my eye. It is fitting very well and it is soft, so it's working nicely. And I'm going to take some neutral shade, this burnt orange kind of a shade, and I'll mix it with this brown shade. I'm mixing two shades and tapping the excess, and I'm just going to blend my edges with this shade right there.
So I'm just mixing all these colors together, and can you see how nice effect it is giving me? So after completing this, you will see that this shade is matching our shimmer shade. Always keep some room यहाँ पे highlighter apply करने के लिए. And I think this is about it. I'm just happy with this crease. I'm going to use this shade right here. It gives some golden and bronzy kind of reflects, and it looks really nice.
I have this brush in this set. I'm gonna try and pick this shade for my eyelid. So this is the so it very well picked the shade. Can you see? It is so nice. So without spraying anything, I'm just going to try if this works or not. Oh wow. So yeah, this was I was talking about, you guys. Can you see? अब जो हमारा crease color है और जो हमारा lid shade है कितना match कर रहा है, and it looks so nice and sophisticated and very wearable. So I really personally like those wearable looks. मेरे को कोई भी ऐसा झटाक मटाक कलर्स पसंद नहीं है, to be very honest, क्योंकि it makes me feel that I'm looking like a joker and that I don't want to look like. I want to look like a very Barbie kind of a princess, very subtle makeup. That makeup I like. So wow, this is so pretty.
तो एक बार हम ट्राई करते हैं स्प्रे के साथ.
Only one spray. I'm not going to do it over because अच्छा pigment ये दे रहा है. Oh. So if you are seeing, I'm going all over my eyelid because अभी हम थोड़ा वहाँ पे करेंगे, but I'm just going all over. Wow, it is so pretty. So on my outer V, I'm not going to place any color because I like it this way. मुझे इस तरीके से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. But if you want, you can definitely add some depth here. You can add some darkness right here if you want to. But I don't want to add that color on this part because I like it this way. हाँ, but थोड़ा सा इसे हम enhance कर सकते हैं with the crease color, the brown and the light orange shade. I'm just going to dab and blend this. Wow.
So if you now want to apply eyeliner, you can definitely go over this अगर आपको eyeliner लगाना है. But I personally don't apply eyeliners because I have very small eyelids. So if I apply eyeliner, this area which you are seeing right now when I am when my eyes are open, this portion is going to hide. That I don't want because right now you can see some shine on my eyelid area, but if I apply any false eyelashes or if I apply any eyeliner, this area is going to hide and this is going to cover up, and that I don't want, because I like this shininess on my eyelid area. But if you have bigger eyelids, you can definitely do whatever you want to do. You can apply eyeliner, you can apply eyelashes, you can go with everything. So now I'm just quickly going to complete this. And to complete this look, I have applied some kajal, some mascara, and now I'm highlighting my inner corners and brow bone. This is the first look that you guys can create with this eyeshadow palette, and this is very nice and wearable according to me, and I personally like this. Can you see how gorgeous it looks? So I'm going to create something different on my left eye, and you're gonna see. So the first color I'm going to use is this very teal greenish kind of a color. So मैं इसे अपने crease पे apply करूँगी first, and let's see what happens. And for this look, I am going to use one holographic shimmer shade which is given in this eyeshadow palette. And yeah, for that I'm just mixing and matching my crease color.
So इसी ब्रश से मैं इसे अपने लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी थोड़ा सा अप्लाई कर लूँगी, ब्रश को पिंच करके like this.
And now I'm going to mix this shade with this very nice mauvey pink color. And now after completing this, you will see that our crease color is matching very well with our shimmer shade.
Can you see? Now it is looking something like this shade, right? So I'm going to take a little bit more pink color.
So इस clean brush को लेके I'm just going to buff everything out and make sure that edges are nice and soft.
तो मैंने इन दोनों शेड्स को मिक्स कर दिया है, द पिंक वन एंड द टील ग्रीन वन, एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू dab the excess and I'm pinching my brush.
And here I am applying the holographic shimmer shade, and can you see how nice it looks? And here also I'm applying this shimmer shade all over my eyelid because I was liking these shimmers very much. So now I'm just quickly going to complete this one as well. Now I have applied the highlighter on my brow bone and my inner corners. So I have this eye pencil from In Color, and this is how the shade looks like, and I'll apply it on my waterline. So guys, this is the second eye look that you guys can create using this eyeshadow palette. This is very nice and subtle. If you see this, this is a very nice and subtle look, and on the other hand, this is very nice, dark, smoky kind of a look, and yeah, looks very light, really very nice. Both the eye looks are very nice on their own, because my this bronzy goldeny eye look is really perfect for day wedding look or even any day event look. Even आप इसे evening में भी apply कर सकते हो. It will look so good and so flattering. अगर आपको कोई ज़्यादा bold eye look करना पसंद नहीं है, then you can definitely go with. एंड ऑन दी अदर हैंड, अगर आपको कोई स्मोकी समथिंग डिफरेंट आई लुक क्रिएट करना है beside our black and brown smoky eyes, so you can definitely go with this smoky eye. It looks so nice and it is so party vibe, strong vibe. So I like both the looks very much. और अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, then please like, share and subscribe, and I can definitely recommend you guys this eyeshadow palette. You can definitely go with this. This is very affordable, 250 rupees, not big deal, but the pigmentation, the colors, everything is so nice and beautiful about this eyeshadow palette, and I cannot rave about this anymore because it is so good. एक छोटा सा issue है with this eyeshadow palette, that it's not issue but एक छोटी सी lackness है, I would say, that the shimmer shades are slightly dry. These are not wet shimmer eyeshadows, so keep that in mind, but it is not something that you should think about when you are purchasing this eyeshadow palette. So yeah, all in all, it is so good, and I would highly give this a 9 out of 10. ब्रशेस के बारे में मुझे बताना है. So if you are a beginner at makeup, और अगर आपको कोई ऐसा ब्रश सेट चाहिए जिससे आपके आई शेडोज अच्छे से अप्लाई हो जाए, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो विद दिस ब्रश सेट फ्रॉम flipkart.com. आपको मिलेंगे 12 ब्रशेज़ इन दिस, और अंडर 250 रुपीज़, बहुत अफोर्डेबल हैं. एंड ब्रशेज़ आर वेरी सॉफ्ट, ब्रिसल बहुत सॉफ्ट हैं, कोई ही पोकीनेस नहीं है. सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस ब्रश सेट आउट बाय योर सेल्फ इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम रिकमेंडेशन. देन आई कैन रिकमेंड दिस ब्रश सेट टू यू गाइज. और अगर आपको ये ब्रशेज़ अप क्लोज देखने हैं, देन आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड वन मोर वीडियो आफ्टर दिस वीडियो. तो आप वहाँ पे इन सारे ब्रशेज़ को अप क्लोज देख सकते हैं कि कौन सा ब्रश आपको मिल रहा है इस सेट में. And yeah guys, I hope this video will be helpful to you guys, and I hope that you guys liked both these eye looks on me. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.